Do you name your crystals? Like giving them a proper name? I do have names for some of my crystals. Why do we name others, or why do we give names to things? Let's talk about it. Hi, this is Eliana from Everyday Crystal Magic, where we teach how to use crystals to bring magic to our day-to-day lives. If this is the first time in this channel, please like and subscribe. Do you name your crystals like a name, proper name, or a nickname? I have names for a few of my crystals, and I'll introduce you to some of them in a couple of minutes. When you name someone or something, you are giving it your idea of what they are. You're giving them or it an identity, and in some way humanizing it so you have a closer relationship. So, thinking of crystals as teachers, what was the concept, the idea, or the feeling that you had when you named that crystal? What it meant to you at that moment? Or was it an impulse or an inspiration? I'll share some of them with you. Let's start with this ammonite. This is a fossil, and her name is Marisol. Marisol is a word in Spanish that means sea and sun, all in one word. To me, this is a reminder of my roots because I'm an islander, and that is where I will return to eventually. This is a nice size ammonite that I use for crystal grids, especially crystal grids that have to do with growth, that incredible non-stopping growth. And it's because ammonite follows the Fibonacci sequence. So, this is Marisol for all of you. This is river. This one, you have seen it before in the background of my videos and in other pieces. So, this is river. And I guess you can call it rainbow because it's a rainbow fluorite. But to me, it's river, and this is the reason, is because of those beautiful tones of green. That reminds me of the depth of the water, the river waters that keep flowing. And in Taoism, the river, the water, they keep moving at their own pace. They don't get stuck. They just flow. So, river it is. This is an Auralite 27 plus, I would like to call it, because it's not exactly 27, that I got a couple of years ago. Notice the nice chevron pattern. This one, I call it Laura, not Laura, Laura. And the name just came quick to me, and it's a matter of cadence because of an Auralite crystal, but also because it reminds me of the poem A Laura by José de Diego. So next time you look at that crystal, think of what made you name it, because it can give you clues as to why that crystal came into your life and what you need to learn from it. Let me know if you name a crystal and if that made you feel closer to it as opposed to other crystals you haven't given a name or you just got. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, be well, have fun, and do some magic.